One day, it will make sense. There are moments in life when nothing seems fair, when the people you love leave too soon, when the dreams you chase slip through your fingers, when the road ahead looks too long, too uncertain, too impossible. And in those moments, it's easy to believe that life is nothing but a series of losses, a collection of almosts and what-ifs. But what if every wrong turn was just leading you to the right place? What if every closed door was protecting you from something not meant for you? What if one day you look back and realize that every struggle, every heartbreak, every tear you shed had a purpose? Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but one day when the weight has lifted, when the pain has faded into memory, you'll understand why it had to happen this way. Hold on for that day.